Hey, it's Melissa Thompson with Crye-Leike Realtors in your Key to Memphis team. And today I just want to talk to you about private mortgage insurance, a little bit more about that and what that's about. So stay tuned, we'll be right back. Hey, well, welcome back. Well, today I want to talk to you about the private mortgage insurance, or sometimes you'll hear it called PMI. So whether it's your first time or your fifth time, to buy a house, just wanted to go over that information just so you're aware of what that is. With the large amount of mortgage payments now that you can get that you don't have to put 20% down, you're seeing more and more of the PMI, of course, so lenders requiring that. So what is PMI? Well, Freddie Mac describes it as an insurance policy that protects them, in case you default on the loan. So it's just giving them an insurance policy to every lender that takes out a loan and they're not putting 20% down. It can charge you for every $100,000. It can charge between $30 and $70 a month, just depending, on credit score and different things, but it is so much a month. So a couple other things. Once you reach the 20%, equity in your home, you can have it removed. Now you can't just say, oh, by the way, I want it removed because this is what I think. So you could hire an appraiser to come out and appraise it, which I think is well worth the $400 to $500 fee, if you think you're at that point, just to show them that it is reached that. Reach out to me. I'd be glad to do a market report and send it to you so you can kind of see where you are to make sure you fall into that before you spend the money, but we're happy to do that as well. And then secondly, when you close on the house, they give you an amortization chart and it tells you this is the year that'll be removed. Well, guess what? It's going to be pretty far out before they remove it automatically. So I would just keep a watch on that so you know when it can be removed. So I'm going to attach a graph actually that shows you what the payment is, on like $180,000 financing. So you can see what it is with the PMI and without it, just so you know. But I mean, it's well worth it not to put 20% down if you don't have it, so it doesn't hinder you from buying a house. And again, you can get it removed at some point too. So if you have any questions about that, just reach out and let me know. Again, I'm happy to send you a market report on your area and your neighborhood to see if that's where you fall, and then send you appraisers as well so you can get that taken care of and get that removed. So if you have any questions or anything further, we're here and happy to help. The number is 901-729-9526. Thanks. Have a great day.